All right. After a long time, welcome. Before anybody would watch this stream or this VOD, I would have to tell you that this is NASDAQ or NQ, and we are just after the London Open. So we're gonna go over this one. I'm not really going to dive into too much stuff. Lots of things have happened in the past 2 months, 2.5 months actually. And the biggest news is that I narrowed down my my focus on NQ and most likely gold, although I'm still trading a little bit less on gold. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's what my focus is on right now. Let's change the chart to a 15-minute chart. So this is a 15-minute NASDAQ. Let's put this here. Oh, it's locked. All right. Okay, so this is a 15-minute NASDAQ chart. As you can see, we're going to the 200s. I'm gonna go over through this in every detail as much as I can. And this account, which I'm trading right now, is a combine account at TopStep. By the way, I was talking about this since a few months while I was streaming on Forex Brokers that I'm moving to futures, and so this is what I'm doing now. I'm gonna trade futures most of the time, and by futures I mean I can trade actually gold futures as well. So that's what I'm looking to do, gold futures, but mainly NQ, and of course I'm watching ES as well, because ES can also provide some good opportunities. But there are many reasons, and I'm gonna do some walks and talks about this. And you know, I'm gonna explain in detail, but for now let's see if I can put this to a minute, days to load. All right, okay, so this is a 4-hour NQ. Oh yeah, I can't load more data because there was the new contract here. And this was... okay, anyway, doesn't matter. Let's go back to the 15-minute. And this is NinjaTrader. If you haven't figured it out already, I'm using NinjaTrader. And of course I have a different view. Maybe it's better for you guys. I don't know which one is better. Here you can see the account number, which is at TopStep. And that's it. Today I haven't made any trades yet, but you know, since this portion of the screen is, oh my god, 9 contracts. Why the hell is that? Okay, so this portion is irrelevant. I'm just gonna go back to the extended screen. So anyway, this is NASDAQ, and I might go over to TradingView to analyze gold. For now, on NASDAQ, as you can see, we are way down at no man's land. So we broke every possible barrier yesterday. And so this is going to be quite interesting. We have quite some imbalance and liquidity voids to fill up here on the 15-minute chart. And so if we look at it closer, we can see that we are definitely way below, like we're down deep on this one. And I don't know what the hell has happened with my chart on on trading view, but it's not getting the data feed from TraderWeight, so there's a delay. I just realized that. So anyway, it doesn't really matter. Hey there, Molo, gold signals. Well, I want to go over gold. And anyway, let's go over gold. Let's go over gold. And thank you so much. If you guys want to push the like button, I would appreciate that. So let's go over gold. And let's go from the daily. Let's draw the levels, all right? Because it's important. Let's delete this because it's not important. Okay, we have buy side right there. All right. We have some buy side up there, which is very close on the daily. It's almost at 2000. So I'm pretty much bullish on gold in this matter on the daily. I would expect this one to push up, but let's dive into intraday on gold and let's watch it closer. Let's reset the chart. This vertical line here is the midnight open, and this is yesterday midnight open. Now this is the midnight open price range right here. Let me zoom it out. So we are pretty much below, a little bit below the midnight open on gold. This is the hourly gold chart. And so let's see what goes on, shall we? Let me put this a little bit here. It's better. So, you're welcome, you're welcome. I wanted to go over gold as well. So as you can see, the midnight open barely poked into making a little bit high. No imbalance here. A small imbalance here only on the hourly. That's not too much important of me. Right there. So there's a small hourly imbalance which could be interesting intraday, but other than that, I'm not really interested in going short on gold. But if we go down to the 15-minute chart, what do we see? Nothing. Nothing. The first major level is down there at 1981. So right now we are at the consequent encroachment of this 15-minute candle, which could mean anything. It could be a reversal to go lower. I don't know that. But it has taken yesterday's high. Actually, yesterday's high was, to be honest, it was here. It has taken yesterday high and Asia high, everything it has taken right here. So that has been taken. Now the question is, the question is, does this want to go down or is it continuing up? That's the big question, right? So if we go down to the 5-minute, we still see this 5-minute long wick candle. The thing which I don't like it because these kind of long wick candles like to get filled. I mean, these like to get filled. As you can see, it's getting ready to be filled. But it's not a signal to go long, actually. But I wouldn't go short as well. There was a small imbalance right there. Doesn't really matter. So nothing really to see here. I'm definitely bullish. Why? Because we have the significant high at 97 and we have the 2000 level, which is so important. It's like a magnet. It's like very, very, very important level. Let me put something there. Is there a drawing tool somewhere? I know that there is. There you go. Oh my god, it's too big. Anyway, what the hell? Come on. Why can't I turn this? I know I can. Oh yeah, I can. So there you go. So there's our magnet at 2000. That's my bias for gold. I'm not saying you should go long on gold. I'm definitely not saying that right now, go long. Before I would go long and attack this 97 level, I would wait for an imbalance at least, or a fair value gap, sorry, at least on the 5-minute chart. But for now, I would stay still. I would do nothing. and just wait. Anything can happen. Anything can happen, all right? Anything can happen. So let's just wait for now. I can't put this here. Anyway, we have to wait. If this one wants to break this candle with an up-close candle, of course, then we can hope that it will continue to go up. And if we go to the hourly chart, you can still see, oh my god, this chart, you can still see consequent encroachment. I'm just eyeballing it. It is around 94. So the 94 level is, yeah, it's, you're welcome, Ola. 94 level would be my first TP if I would go long, but I'm not going to go long even if I want to. 94, then 97. But since we're so close to 2000, if we get through 94, and if you want to leave a runner, I would just leave it until 2000. But we have no signal yet. We have no signal. And, you know, the other scenario is that we can just turn around. We can turn around like this. And boom. And we can target this hourly imbalance. Oops. That can easily happen. So that can easily happen. We turn around, reprice a 1 minute fair value gap maybe, and then boom, reprice this hourly, because this is an hourly imbalance right there. So scenario 2 would be this. Let me show again. How do I delete this? Scenario 2 would be like this. Boom. Then this would happen. And then boom. This is scenario 2. We go down, reprice the hourly imbalance, and then go up. There would be a resistance here, so price would stop here and then go up. But no signal yet, so don't do anything. All right? Don't do anything. And this is NASDAQ again. I'm sorry, I'm looking at this on NinjaTrader because there's something wrong with the data feed. It's delayed from TraderWeight. This is the 15-minute chart on NASDAQ. As you can see, we're pretty much at no man's land. And if I go down to the 5-minute, this is the 5-minute NASDAQ chart. This dotted line is the midnight open. This is New York midnight. And what the hell is this? Oh, this is just a round number 300. This was yesterday low. This, I don't know, what color is this? What color is this? This is a green. I'm sorry, I'm color blind. I know it's hard. You're very welcome, Ola. If you can drop a like and sub to the channel, thank you very much. I'll try to be here more often, I promise. So for now, NASDAQ is pretty much hanging in the air. Nobody knows if it wants to dump or if it wants to retest something. On the 5-minute chart, we do have some imbalance to get filled. And we have a nice level at 330, which can be targeted. I don't know. If we go down to the 1 minute, I'm going to go to gold 1 minute as well, just to see if we have anything. I want to see, do I have gold here? Gold futures. This is gold futures, right? Yeah, this is gold futures. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to go back to NASDAQ. So this is the 1 minute NASDAQ again. I'm sorry, you have to go with NinjaTrader for now because I have some problem with the data feed on TradingView. I'm not a subscriber on TradingView, by the way, because I have everything I need from Tradeovate, so I don't need anything else. And I'm not trading on TradingView. And for analysis on the hourly and the 4-hour, TradingView is perfectly enough for me as a free version. So Nasdaq is doing nothing. If I go down to the 30-second, which is the maximum I go down, still nothing. This is the 30-second Nasdaq chart. Nothing is happening, as you can see. Nothing is happening. Get back to the 1 minute. Nothing. We would need a nice displacement, but nothing. But let's go back to gold. Let's go back to gold. Yeah, if you want to scalp, I don't like this. I don't like this. So Asia lows are still intact. So the other scenario which you could have done or could do is, but I'm not going to risk it. You can go for long here and scalp the high of this candle, but that would be too risky. And it's already gone. So second chance to go long would be in this area. It can still tap into that. But I would not take that trade. It's just too risky. I would not do that. I would definitely not do that. Seems like it's gonna take it out. It's going for it. But that's just not my, it's not my trade, so let's go back. Nasdaq is doing nothing. Hey Dave, my man. Thank you so much for being here. Oh, by the way, where's my soundboard? Hold on, guys, because I didn't start it up. Do I have cheers and applause? That's for Dave, and that's for Mola as well. Thank you so much for being here. Yeah, I'm back, but I had to take a break. I had to take a break from live streaming because it honestly it has put a lot of pressure on me. Since then, I got funded. I have 3 funded accounts at Top Step. I was talking about this in the previous streams 2 months ago or 3 months ago that I'm going to futures. I have 150k and 250k accounts. Top Step. Now this account right now, this is a combine account. I'm not going to trade my my live accounts, so-called live accounts, funded accounts on stream because it puts a lot of pressure on me. I decided that I'm not going to trade it. How many times are you playing? At least 3 times, and I can say that at least. So will it be Monday to Wednesday? I don't know, but between Monday and Friday, I try to put at least 3 live streams. It might be New York as well. I don't know if it would be London and or New York or just New York. I don't know, but I try to put in at least 3 streams on my YouTube. I do have a private membership where I stream on my Discord and I talk about everything and I show my live account and my live results. Only a few people, so don't worry, I'm not a trading guru, but I do have to make a living and I explain it on my blog. So that's why I'm doing my membership. It's kind of a support as well. Anyway, good ideas, good members. So I'm putting everything out there. But here at least 3 times. So anyway, as I was saying, look at that. Nasdaq is dropping like crazy. I'm not going to trade my funded account on YouTube. At least I'm not saying never, but not going to trade it. I'm going to trade combine account. or challenge account or whatever here. This is this account is a combine account, and it has 154,954K. So yeah, I'm $4,200 in profit on this combine. So I still need more than 4,000, 4,500, 4,700, $4,700 profit. Anyway, I'm not going to trade my live funds or accounts or funded accounts on YouTube, but I love building a community, so I'll be here. And my main asset, as I was talking about it 2 or 3 months ago, is going to be NQ/ES, but most likely NQ and gold. And so look at gold. I'm just something wrong with my data feed on from TradingView. I'm not a subscriber for TradingView because I'm just not trading TradingView. I'm using it for the hourly and the 4-hour chart to analyze. And so I'm not a subscriber, but I have TradeAwait access, and now it's just not showing up. So I don't know what the hell is going on. I only managed to log into my paper trading account, but I'm not getting the data feed from TradeAwait. Anyway, gold, this is the 1 minute gold. By the way, does the applause... Okay, it's working. All right. So I still think that this long wick candle, this is the 5 minute chart, it should be taken out. It should be taken out. I'm not saying to go long, super risky. Look at that. Since midnight open, it didn't take out anything major down here. Basically, we are in an inside range. So gold is like super risky. Nothing else to say about that. And I'm just waiting for NQ to make a turn. This is the 1 minute chart on NQ. ES, same. Yeah, ES is the same. 5 minute. Nothing. No man's land, guys. No man's land. Most likely this is going to be a boring London session. Nothing major. And as I was saying many times, I do trade and I'm using the smart money concepts or ICT concepts or whatever you want to call it, but I'm trying to forge it to my own style. Basically, not changing anything major. I'm using the base concept. I'm just doing some super minor changes. Not changes, but you know. This is the 1 minute NQ. As you can see, nothing to do here. When there is enough volume and New York opens, I'm used to trade the 30-second chart as well. And I'm aiming for 80 or 100 points or handles per week minimum. And you can say, oh my God, that's like so little. That's so less of amount. Trust me, if you can make 80/100 points or handles steadily on every week, then your life is, I mean, you can have a good life with that. And as ICT says, money management will do the heavy lifting. If you can make 80/100 points or handles a week, let it be NASDAQ and or ES, you did it. Then you're there. And by the way, the other day, and I was showing it to my Discord, I did 200 points on a Monday. last Monday, I think. I don't know. 200 points with one contract, with only one contract. Although I must say that was a one micro contract, 200 points. So that was almost, that was like, yeah, minus commissions. That was a good money. That was almost $400, yeah. So this is NQ. Let's check gold again. Nothing is happening so far. I would not trade it. Yesterday high was taken out. Midnight opening range still intact. Nothing is happening. Nothing to do here for now. Look at the 15-minute. Oh my god. This long wick candle should be filled sooner or later. And as I was mentioning, this is the 1 hour. Let me show you. Yeah. This is the hourly. We're so close to 2000. I guess the whole market is pretty much bullish on gold. But no movement for now. No movement. And nothing on NQ as well. I can go to... actually, I can go to... Even if it's delayed, I can go to NQ higher time frame analysis. Let me delete some levels because it's just disturbing. I leave the 15,000 on. Okay. So this is the daily NQ. We're very close to this. I don't know what's it called. Imbalance. I don't know. No, it's not imbalance, but it's not liquidity void. I forgot how to call this. But as you can see, this, I don't know how ICT calls this, but this gap here, right here, this gap is super important to me. So I'm gonna put a marker here. I'm gonna put low close 355 from 3 close. No, actually the open price is 350.50. 350.50. And this 219. Let's put this here as well. It could be that price wants to go there. It's not too far. So open is 350. I'm sorry, 250. 250. 250. Let's go to 250. I think it wants to go there first. It wants to reprice it. Let's go to NASDAQ again. Yeah. So we might want to go short here. There was no. Let's check the 30-second chart. We might have missed it already. Oh yeah, we missed it already. I missed it already. All right, I'm gonna go short. I'm short. Damn it, I missed my entry. I missed my entry. Target is 251. Almost missed my entry there. Damn it. I was talking too much. And if you're curious, my entry, this should have been my entry. So I entered late. Why? Because there was a small imbalance, broke structure below here. Actually, I missed it. Yeah, because that was invalid. My first entry should have been right there. And my target would be to tap into this What's that called? Imbalance? Or I don't even know what it's called. I don't know what it's called. Damn it. Okay, let's put a stop loss because I messed this up. I'm gonna put my stop way up here. It's a hard stop. It's not my final. Let me just put everything in place. I'm gonna put my TP down there, and this is just a hard stop. I'm gonna move this around as I see price evolving. If it goes back up here, I'm going to scale with one more contract in. So let's hope it goes all right. Sorry, I haven't slept too much. Just a quickie phone call. Hold on, guys. All right. They're still waiting. Sorry, guys. Just phone calls, as usual. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. So this level on NQ, I'm gonna show you guys. This level on NQ is based on what? And sorry, but I don't have the data feed right now coming from to my TradingView account. I don't know what the hell is going on. So that was NinjaTrader. So this level is based on the 25th of May this year. Whereas you can see, this is the daily chart of NQ. And as you can see, we're very close. This is the price line. Of course, it's delayed. But the opening price of this candle is 250. And the higher price or closing price is around 219. So most likely price would like to draw into this area right here, which I marked here. So this would be an ideal target for price to go into. And that's why I went short on that level. That's why I'm short, basically. So that's it. And as for gold, let's check gold. As I was saying, gold still wants to close this 15-minute candle, but there's no setup. So I'm just going to go back and see what's happening. Okay. A little bit of drawdown. This should have been my original entry and I missed it. But since it's going not so much, not so good, I'm just going to hold on a little bit to this trade. I'm not going to add more until it starts to break down again. My original entry should have been here, but I missed it with four, well, it was 4 handles. So yeah, it's gonna take me out, unfortunately. But it's still only 10 handles. It's gonna go into that imbalance, so I might close it earlier. Yeah, it's gonna take out that that stop because it wants to take this liquidity up there. We might gonna go into another short again. I'm just gonna leave it for now. If it takes it out, it takes it out. But I might going to go for another short if it wants to break down with the displacement. If it wants to break down with this displacement, then I might go into another short. Otherwise, I'm still waiting. I'm still going to wait. Or if it makes another structure break here on this level, we might add one more contract. But we're only doing it with one contract. So let's wait. And if you guys can drop a like and sub to the channel, that would be great. So this was a late entry. It picked up some liquidity. Now we can expect this one to push higher, take out my stop. But we're still going to wait for another opportunity to go short on this one. To target the, well, that's the 250, 251 level down there. So let's just wait. It's a good thing that I didn't enter 2 contracts because it's a 150k combine account. So originally that was the plan. Yeah, it's gonna take it out. Unfortunate. Music play. Hey there. How much you in trading? Well, I have I have 3 funded accounts at TopStep. I have my own account. I got funded, of course, several times before. This is not a funded account. This is a combine account, a 150k combine account with TopStep, trading since a few years. And yeah, so far I don't have a Lambo or Bugatti or whatever, but I'm trying to pull out consistent profits from the market. And I was streaming like 2 months ago, like almost every day, but that was putting kind of a big pressure on me, and so I stopped it. And since then I'm just trading my own capital and the funded accounts. But I said to myself, I'm not going to trade my live funded account on YouTube. I'm only trading it in my private Discord. I mean, almost technically every day. So yeah, I'm into trading since a while. I'm into trading. I had that week, like 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago, I was winning every day. Now that was really something. I recorded everything on my Discord and then I put it out to here on my YouTube. You can check it. We were winning every single day. I mean, there was like a day when we were down. Yeah, funded is cool. Being funded is cool. Why I entered, I'm gonna show you. This is NQ, of course, and this is a 30-second chart. And the reason why I entered, and I have to show you on TradingView. There's something wrong with the data feed. I was telling about this. I'm getting delayed data, but on the daily I can show you. This is why I entered on the 15th of May, as you can see. There's a candle which has opened. There's a new day opening gap here. Of course, it repriced it, but there's still an imbalance here. And there's a gap here, new day opening gap. Price was very close. Actually, it's at 250. So this was way back this year. And I thought that, you know, price was gravitating towards this this level. And so that's why I entered. That's why I have entered. And there was, let me show you. This was the 30-second chart, and there was a nice break of structure here. Here as well, but that doesn't really interested me that much. Should have entered here, but that would be still the same. There was an imbalance here on the 30-second chart. I missed my entry, but the target was still down here at the 250 level. So I thought that price wants to go down, test that daily new day opening gap, which starts at 250.50 level. And so this was my entry area right there. Spiked down, this down close candle left an imbalance right there. So I thought, okay, it continued down nicely, but then boom, reversed. It is what it is. It is what it is. Same entry here, by the way. Same entry here. If someone would have entered here, same entry. I missed this one. Probably taken profit down here maybe. But since I missed this entry, I entered here on this second one. And this what happened. That's why we're here right now. But let's go out to the 5 minute. So this is the 5 minute NQ. We are getting back to this imbalance, which is great. This is the 300 level, this blue line, and this green one is yesterday's low. So we're pretty much repricing this level. And if I go to the 15 minute, well, the 15 minute almost the same. I mean, got back to yesterday's low. Now it's testing yesterday's low. We do have a little bit of imbalance right here at this line at 330. Right now got back above the 300 level. Could be targeting the now the next reasonable target would be 330 if it wants to pop back up. It took liquidity down here. If I go to the 60-minute chart, long wick candle, that's for sure, but it still can go up. Well, on the 16, well, it's a 60-minute chart. Oh yeah, this is not it. Never mind that. That should be down there. That's what we're looking for. So this is the 5-minute NQ. The reasonable target would be 330, but we have some congestion zone here or resistance. I would not go long here. I would still wait. This could be just, you know, repricing this CB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, and then boom, go down again. This is a 3-minute chart. So if I go to the 1-minute chart, you can still see it perfectly repriced this range right here. Now we can see this one to just, you know, dive deeper. This is 30-second chart again. My bias is short for now still. If it starts to drop with a structure break, I would still target the new day opening gap from the 25th of May. If not, then we can go for the 330 level. So that's it. That's what we're waiting for. And until then, let's check gold. Okay, gold took out today's high, which is quite interesting. 94 level could be a good target. And you know what? On the 1 minute, it might have happened already. So if you wanted to go long, you could have done it right here. Stop here. And 94 should be right there. With the 2 to 1. Let's put this here. This should be a nice long position on gold. I'm not taking it. I'm focusing on NQ. Although I might take it. Let's take. I might take it. I might take it. There's gold. There's gold. You know what? One contract. I might take it. All right, I took it. It's different than the pricing is different on futures. Anyway, where is my stop on the 1 minute? The 1 minute, my stop is should be below this long wick candle. So there should be my stop. And let's go NQ. NQ is still going higher. I would only take a long on NQ if we would get to a 10 or 15 handle range with a displacement. Otherwise, it's still dangerous to me to take it. But gold, I'm long on gold. Let's check the 60-minute chart. No, that's the problem with futures here. Can't really know. I'm just gonna put a TP right there. It's just for fun. Okay. So NQ is still edging higher. So that's the gold trade I'm in right now. Technically, I'm in a gold trade. And my first TP would be at 94-ish. It's a 1 minute entry. 1 minute entry is based on this. Well, actually, small fair value gap there. There is a fair value gap down there as well. That's why I put my stop below there. I'm still very confident that this one could go higher. So let's wait. And NQ is stuck here. Gold trade is still intact. Let's go with the 1 minute. Yeah, so this is my gold futures trade. I'm not really looking too much on this particular chart because it's a futures chart, but the goal is the same as here. And I'm only taking one contract there, so just curious to see if my idea is correct. All right. Let's watch NQ. Let's see what's happening. NQ got back to yesterday's low, repricing this imbalance. Oops. I just moved this. That was yesterday's low. So it's above yesterday's low right now. Gold is not moving. Yeah, I think it wants to go for the 330 level maybe, but I still need to see a strong displacement to enter. This is midnight open. Gold is starting to go higher a little bit. So let's see. We're just waiting. Next time if we have more, just wake up and buy gold. Yeah, exactly. Well, you know, gold is, yeah, that's what it does. But at least look at that, it starts to climb up slowly. Again, this price here, what you see, this is futures, gold futures. I don't really, you know, care about this price here. I'm watching the Forex feed, because that's what everyone's watching. I'm just putting the trade here on futures, so I don't really care about that chart. Well, let's look at here. This is gold. Yeah. So my target would be somewhere around the consequent encroachment of this hourly candle. Yeah, exactly. Unbelievable. From 1810. Wow. Quite a run, right? Quite a run. I admit that. That was quite a run. That was quite a run. And, you know, we're so close to 2000. Look at that. It's like a magnet. That's why I put it there. We're so close to 2000. I think the whole market is eyeballing these levels. So we'll see. We'll see, I guess, how it goes. Come on. Let's check the NQ. Not really doing anything. Gold trade so far in a slight profit, not too much. We just have to wait. Just have to wait. Ukraine war, gold pump up. Yeah. That was really something. I mean, that was over the weekend. I mean, not over the weekend, but the thing that happened from Friday to Monday, well, that was crazy. I remember that. That was real crazy. That was real something. Now, we have yeah. We have this 15-minute CB or FVG on NQ right here. And we have this fair value gap from turnover like electronic trading hours. This is interesting. Now this is not just a few handles. This is like 30 handles. And I guess somewhere in the near future this should be covered. FOMC meeting. Yeah, I think there was something about, yeah. So anyway, this area is, I think everybody's eyeballing this area right now from yesterday. Yeah, FOMC, stuff like that. Powell started to speak, as you say. I know he was speaking. I wasn't sure. I'm not sure what he was saying exactly. I didn't really went into that. I still have to read all that stuff. And guys, by the way, if you're here, I want to welcome everyone with an applause. Thank you so much. And if you can, please drop a like and sub to the channel. That would mean a lot to me. Today, I lost one trade, but we had, check out my video a few weeks ago. We had a week in my Discord. We were winning every day. And we were having like London session down 500-600, and then by New York we were ending up with $400, $600, or $800 in profit. That was really something. So anyway, this is the 15-minute chart. I think everybody's going to eyeball with this one what to do. I'm still thinking that the 250 level, I'm gonna call it out here, 250 should be tapped. That's what I say. That's a new day opening gap from the 25th of May. You can check it out on the daily chart. 25th of May NQ new day opening gap. It has been repriced, but it has not been rebalanced yet, which means there's no down close candle there. I would say that price could be gravitating towards or downwards that 250 area, and then go up and you know, could be a trap or something. I don't know. Let's go down to the 5-minute, see what's going on. NQ 5-minute. The dotted line is the midnight open on NQ. What the hell is this music? I just put in copyright free lofi music, but it's getting on my nerves. It wants to go for the 30 level, guys. So I want to check it on the 30-second chart. It might be good for a 10 to 15 handles of scalp. But I need a nice displacement, an up-close candle with a nice fair value gap, which we don't have. So we don't have that. We don't have that. No fair value gap that I would like to take. But it's so tempting because this line, the 30 level, there's liquidity over there. There's definitely liquidity up there. Could be reaching for that. But I need displacement. I'm not entering a trade without a fair value gap. That's it. I need the fair value gap and the displacement. Now this could be nice right here. Gold is going up, so the trade is getting there. We have a small displacement on the 30-second chart. Not the strongest one. And it's going to reprice it, unfortunately, I think. But it can be a good entry. We still need 15 seconds. I'm going to put a limit order here. 5, 4. There's my limit order. The train is going to leave without us, guys. It's going to go for 30. It's going to go for the 30 level. I needed to go down 3 or 5 handles to tap me into the trade. 5 more seconds. There. I just needed to go down a little bit to feel me. Alright, we're in. We're in the trade, guys. My TP is going to be 29.25. Very risky. One contract. I'm gonna put a hard stop here. It's not going to be my original stop, so it's just a hard stop. I'm going to move it according to price action or close it down manually. So my target is actually, let's bring it down to 29. Reason for entering, I'm gonna show you, is this fair value gap right there. I entered before it tapped into that because of spread and everything. So it's risky. It's a scalp trade, most likely. Depending on the price action, I might close it down earlier, but in case if we have a spike, there is a hard stop at 306. But I would like this one to go to 29, not 30, in case we have some. Come on, baby, just push it. Just push it. How is gold doing? Gold is down. What the hell? I needed to burst through the 30 level and then we're fine. I could scale into this one with one more. The problem is the range is too small. I need at least 10 to 15 handles of range on NQ. I'm not going in for 5 points. 5 points is not interested. Not good for me to add more positions, especially on NQ. NQ, 5 points on NQ is like a blink. All right, we covered some losses. Still in gold. So, but we're still not through the 30 level, which is interesting. I'm not going to enter one more. But we covered some losses. I guess London sessions are like this nowadays. Let's check the gold chart. Our gold trade is still going. We have a 2-1 here until we reach 94. It's gonna be a slow run, I guess. All right, let's see what's going on the 15 minute. Actually, that wasn't even. Oh yeah, yeah, small. This is the 15-minute NQ, and as you can see, it's going to go through this level. There was a small fair value gap left here, right there, which has not been repriced yet, I guess I can say. That was the reason, that was I was targeting. The next level is at 49, if it wants to go up there. So this was a scalp. I was actually very sure that we're gonna go down to. I'm still tempted to see how it goes around. If we're gonna go down to 50. There's a new day opening gap down there. We were so close. And now we have repriced this 15-minute imbalance here. So the next target is at 49, which is 19 handles away, which is not far. NQ can do it. ES, this is the ES. I'm not trading ES in London session because it's too slow. But ES is trying to climb up as well. We'll see. Let's see how gold is doing. Gold, oh no, gold is back down again. If it doesn't really go anywhere, I might just gonna close it. So that's it. Still waiting. I was premature to. I wasn't premature, but I messed up the entry in the first trade on NQ. Could have been a nice trade. At least could have taken some profits on that one. But I didn't. And as you can see, here are my entries. I can go down to the 30-second chart. So I entered here on this fair value gap. Should have entered here. Then I lost with this one. No. Yeah. And then entered a buy position to target the 15-minute imbalance. It was nice with one contract, and that's it. So now we're back to waiting. And gold just went down to break even again. Next level for liquidity on NQ is 49. Now this is typically like it wants to go up. Can I do like multiple? What can I do here? Can I do some drawing? Can't. Ninja Trader is not the best in drawing tools, I must say. It's not the best. Path, vertical line, horizontal extended. Oh yeah, that's it. That's what I was looking for. All right. So this can happen, and boom. It can just go up and there. I would not be trusting this down here. This could be a trap. The next level on NQ is 49. If I go to the 1 minute, let's go to the 1 minute. 1 minute NQ. See, now it tapped into this imbalance and easily shoot up to take out the 49. I'm not doing anything here. I'm just waiting. I'm just gonna wait. We had one loss, one win, and gold is not looking good. Might have to close it earlier. But as I was telling, the new day opening gap from the 25th of May. You should check it out on the daily. It's very tempting, and it's right there at 250.50. That's the level. So, damn it, gold. Damn it, gold. I don't like what gold is doing. Look at that. Come on, gold. What the hell are you doing? This is the 5-minute gold chart. Should have gone right up, right through. Oops. So we're waiting with gold. Well, let's go back to NQ. Look at that. Just as I was expecting. It wants to go for... Let's go to the 15-minute chart. 15-minute buy side right there from after yesterday evening Powell speech. I don't know what he told, but market got ripped or raped. There's another imbalance right there. Could be a target. I don't know. The high here is 49. So that's 49. So that's the high. It can go there. Who knows? For now, we're just gonna sit on our hand and wait and pray for gold. That's all we can do. And let's go to the 5-minute. You can see it on the 5-minute as well. From here, it looks like it wants to go 20 points, 20 handles. It wants to go. If it gives me a 10 handle scalp on the 30-second chart with the displacement FVG, I might jump in because it can be seen on the 5 and the 15-minute as well. I might jump in, but I have to wait. I have to wait. Let's go to the 30-second chart. There it is. Let's wait. Because so far there's nothing. I mean, we could have gone short here. But, you know, on this fair value gap, we would be still in the trade. I'm not saying we couldn't because it broke structure. But there's too much liquidity and targets up there. And, you know. But if you went short here, let me zoom it out for you. If you went short in this fair value gap, right down there. Let me give a different color. There. If you went short right there, well, I mean, you could. And now you should be in the green. I didn't. I was scared. Maybe I should. I don't know. I don't know. It's based on the 30-second. If I check the, it's not too late to jump in. On the 1 minute, it didn't really give it out. It didn't really. I just don't like the fact that we have so much liquidity up there, so that's why I didn't take it. So I'm just gonna wait. And we'll see. I think the draw on liquidity is up here right now. For London session at least. And so that's the name of the game. As long as you per se know where is the draw on liquidity or where you think it will go, I'm just not taking this short. Even if it goes down. If it wants to go down strong, then most likely it wants to take out this low here. Now if it wants to go long, as you see right here, so 49 is the target. If it gives me a displacement like right here, gold is doing okay, right here, then I might jump in on a fair value gap. It's going to go new candle right now, okay. If it's not repricing the whole candle, then I might be having an entry. So let's wait. We have 20 seconds. We need a fair value gap. And I think we're gonna have it. 10 more seconds. One contract. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. There you go. Okay, we got filled. My target is going to be 48. Hard stop right here. But as I was saying, I'm going to be monitoring this closely. If I see price action which is not in my favor, I'm going to cut it earlier. This is a hard stop. So target is right up there. And my reason for entry is this fair value gap, which I can change to something different like this. Okay, so that was the reason for my entry. We'll see if it wants to go for, because this up there, I don't know. It could be seen on the 15-minute as well. 5/15 minutes. So that's a good target for liquidity. And it's very close, relatively close. So I don't know. You know. If it trades below this level, then yeah. Gold is down again. Don't like this price action. We're back into this fair value gap. Don't like this one. We just have to wait. If we lose, we lose. There were winning weeks and days, and you know, there's this crazy price action. But if you know, if it gives us a down close candle below this level, then we should be eyeballing to go for that new day opening gap, which I was telling about. Maybe we will reach it in New York session. So who knows? If I would have gone short here, it would have been a loss. Yes. But What is gold doing? Gold is down. Damn it. Don't like it. Yeah, I don't like this price action right here. Might have to cut it earlier. It's having a hard time to push it to 48, 49. No, 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 no. Yes, it's turning. Yeah. Yeah, problem is we have a down close candle here. It's not looking good. I might have to close it earlier. I was hoping that this will reprice this candle here, so then we will have a chance to pop back up. But it has 5. Yeah, it's good. So it's a good sign. Maybe it can jump back into this and go higher, but that's a big if. Took some liquidity maybe here and then go higher. I don't know. But I definitely don't like that this candle closed lower. Yeah. Wants to go lower. Wants to go lower. It's one of those days, I guess. Okay. Alright. I get it. I still don't understand why would it not go for the liquidity at 49. This is so obvious on the 15-minute chart. It's just so obvious. Stuck in no man's land for now. Gold as well. Damn it. Wants to go down. We're above the midnight open, which is great, but I think I'm gonna just leave the stop loss there, because if it goes down below here, it's just going to be like 1 or 2 points, so doesn't really matter. after that if it breaks lower. So I guess we just have to wait and see. But I think it's gonna break lower. Unfortunate. Then I'm gonna be checking some targets on the downside, but I just don't know why it doesn't really want to go there. It was so obvious. Yeah. One point away, we're gonna get taken out. There you go. All right. How is gold doing? Gold is still there. Okay. It made this down close candle, which is interesting. Could this be a sign that it wants to target lower or something? I'm trading this account aggressively because it's a combine account, so this is not my funded account. It's a new combine, not new. It has how much? 154k right now on it. So I'm always trading the combine accounts much more aggressively. Come on. What's up with gold? Gold is going up, which is good. No way, dude. You can't do this with me. What's it doing right now? I just have to close down this manually. Yeah, I have to close it manually. I thought that you're gonna break down. Oh no. Okay, closed it. Broke structure here. Pfft. Absolutely madness. Madness. I'm telling you guys, it's madness. Let's check the 5 minute, shall we? I thought it's gonna just break down. It's going up. It wants to go for hey Binha, FVG on the 5 minute, 10 minute. Let's check the 10 minute. Yeah, we do. Oh, I think we're started to go up. I wanted to wait for that move. Come on, dude. All right, man. I missed my move. Only one contract. It's going to go for the 49. It has to. Has to go for the 49. There's no other choice. I just thought that it's gonna break down, like down there. So the $150 loss was absolutely my stupid mistake there. It's gonna go for the 49, and I'm going to add one more for this. or not. All right. Hard stop. Oh no, not this. Sell stop. Put a hard stop here. Let's follow this one. It's gonna go for the 49. It has to. It has no other choice. It was a trap. Everything lined up. Sometimes I am. Sometimes I am. I used to be live on New York. I'm live in my Discord, in my private Discord on New York, almost every day technically. And as I said, I'm trying to get back to YouTube streaming as well, because it was like almost 3 months ago when I left off. And I try to be here at least 3 times a week. It might be New York as well. I'm not sure if today I'm gonna be here in New York session, and I'm not going to trade my live or quote unquote live simulated funded accounts on YouTube or my private account on YouTube. I'm only trading combine or challenge accounts on YouTube. So it was putting too much pressure on me in the past while I was trading my simulated funded account and my private account. It was putting me too much pressure. I'm just trying to, get this combine to the target. It still has 153k, so the target is 59k, 9k of course, 9k profit. I have another one which is also above 4k profit. Always have to, get prepared and have a few combines just in case you break down. I guess. So I'm trading the combine accounts extremely aggressively. Just for saying, if someone would start to think, what the hell is this guy doing? I'm trading extremely aggressively on my combine accounts. I'm definitely not trading half as much aggressively, or not even fourth as much aggressively on my live or funded account. And I'm trading micros. Just saying, I'm trading now on a 50k top step funded account, express funded account. I'm trading 2 micros there, 2 micros, because that's the maximum allocation as well. Sometimes only 1 micros. New York session, I trade 1 micro on the 50k account. I have a 150k funded. I trade 2 or 3 micros there. Not even 1 contract. Okay, I would be lying if I would say I didn't trade 1 contract, because sometimes I did when I was seeing a perfect opportunity unfolding. I traded with 1 contract for a few handles, but yeah, I'm trading micros there. But this one is a tricky day. I can see that now. Should have sold 1 contract. But then if I sell one, it's going to sell the first one and not the second one. That's the problem. First in, first out, right? And I'm going to be in a bad position. I would love to see this go to the 49. If it's not going to the 49, then so be it. Let's check gold. Ah, look at gold. Yay, my gold trade. Let's check gold here. There you go. Gold trade is already 1-to-1. If someone took this trade with me, take partials and put it to break even if you want to. I'm going to put it to break even, actually. Gold trade is doing good. I'm going to put it to break even right there. So gold is looking all right for now. Maybe we will do good. Gold is looking good. Target is 94, guys. Final TP 94. Just saying, you know. I should be sleeping more. Should be sleeping more. Yeah, gold is looking good. You can still add some to it. I might be adding an alert. You know what? I'm gonna put an alert here. If it goes up here, okay, there's an alert. If it goes up there, let's get back here. If it goes up there, I consider to close it. So, yeah. But you know, the purpose of being here and streaming, I'm calling the trades out live, and it's for my own benefit as well. Trying to analyze the market, learn from my mistakes, and you know, if we're a little bit of lucky, in a luck, we might be getting a funded account. Why not? You know. Okay. Hello, KRSCFX. KRCSFX. Hello, KRK there. Yeah, oh yeah, KRK. How are you doing, man? Long time no see. I know I was away. I have my reasons. You know, I was too much pressure to trade my live accounts back then. But now I'm only doing combine accounts here. No funded accounts here. But I have funded accounts. Thank God. From Top Step, I'm trading with micros on it, but right now I'm trying to be very, very aggressive on this 150k combine. My target is, this is the NQ. If someone is new right now, please drop a like, by the way. This is NQ, and I'm targeting 349. Well, you know, my trading was kind of a mixed, because when I was streaming my trades, I was taking some of the trades live on my live account as well, and it was a pressure. And the main reason I stopped streaming 2 months ago or 3 months ago, because my performance went way worse than before that. As soon as I stopped streaming and I was focusing on my live account and my funded account, I got better. So I decided, because I like streaming, I like the community, I will be back to streaming, but most likely on challenge or so-called combine accounts. And I try to leave Forex brokers as well. I try to focus on futures market, because I was talking about this before too. Futures market is more of an interest to me, and so here I am trading with Top Step. Already have 3 funded accounts at Top Step. I'm only trading with one, actually 2, 150k and 250k funded accounts, and I'm trading with micros, so slowly, small steps. That's good. And I hope you've been good as well, KRK. I hope stuff is going good for you, my man. So yeah, it was too much stress. And as soon as I stopped streaming, I got better. I'm sorry, guys. As soon as I stopped streaming, my results got a little better. And then I realized I have to focus. to treat my combine accounts or challenge accounts quite differently than the others. This one is gonna hit my stop, damn it. What a bummer. Damn it. It's gonna take me out. Yeah. Oh no, what happened there? Gold is up there. It can save us some loss. Damn it. I was really hoping on this one. That's why I added one more. Shouldn't have done that. I rarely add one more. Yeah, it's gonna take me out. This 49 level is like, it's crazy. It's crazy. There's a bunch of liquidity up there. I know there's liquidity down there as well, but it was like, you know, that's where I took the long. If I would have shorted here, that would have taken me out. So then I thought, okay, we're gonna go for that 15-minute imbalance, and it's just not going for it. It's not going for it. Also, FYI, you guys, you know, I'm journaling and monitoring my trades in the past, and also off stream, on stream, whatever. London session for me is way worse. I mean, it's definitely worse results than in New York. In New York, I was making extensively better results, I guess because of the volume. London session, most of the time, is just tricky. Tricks me out. So, and this is gonna take me out right now. Let's look at gold. Gold is looking good. Yeah, damn it. I should close it and save a few bucks on this one. Maybe at least the commission. Yeah, it's taking me out. My finger is on the close button. I just don't get it. That 49 level, wow. Gold is still up there. So if someone took that gold trade with me, you should have taken partials already. I didn't. I'm all in. I'm all in. No partials. I'm all in. Damn it. Look at that. I was really hoping that it's going to turn around. It's not. Let's look at the 5 minute. So 5 minute. Damn it. Not looking good. 5 minute NQ. We have this imbalance right here. It can easily come down here and then go up. Who knows what it wants to do. This is 5 minute NQ, and as you can see up here, we have this beautiful imbalance. It'd be so nice if it would take it. We're just stuck here. Then I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Because, you know, I can exit as well. Gold is still holding. This is the 15-minute level as well. The 49. 15-minute level. Gold is climbing slowly. No, I don't like what NQ is doing. This is the worst. I thought that it's gonna go for that. Look at that. It wanted to go for it, retraced, and then boom, back down. And I was over risking by adding one more contract to the picture. Gold is all right. Let's check gold on here. Final TP should be below 94. I might close it around somewhere between 93 and 94 if it goes up. This was my entry, so you should be in profit. You should be at break even. I'm at break even by now, so let's put it to break even as well. I'm at break even. My stop was below there, so that's my gold trade. But the NQ is NQ is gonna it's gonna kill the nerves. It can go down to the 5-minute imbalance, take some liquidity. Let's check the 15-minute chart again. I know everyone is eyeballing that level up there. Yeah, the only scary thing is that it didn't really come down here to take liquidity. It went right there. And you know, let's go down to the 30-second. Am I gonna take off one contract, lower my risk? You know, what the hell is going on? If I can lower my risk, where did I put on the? So that's. Oh no, yeah, I can't take, because if I take one off, then it's gonna take off my first position, which was here, and this is the one that's gonna be left. So I'm not gonna take that down. I'm gonna leave it. So we're all in on this one, guys. Or the other thing which I can do is I just close the whole position with a small profit or break even, because I just don't like this price action. 10 minutes until the hourly candle closes. Look at gold. Yeah. So I don't like it. Considering to close it at break even, the whole thing. If I get a I don't know. We'll see. Gold is going higher. Crazy. Crazy price action, guys. Crazy price action. All right, look at gold. Oh yeah, baby. Gold is going. Maybe it can save our ass. Maybe gold can save us some losses. Oh no. Do we have any news? No. Nothing. No news here. Nothing extra. Gold is going up. Oh, fudge. Look at NQ. NQ Come on, NQ. NQ is melting. Should have closed the break even. Damn it. Alright, NQ is taking us out. I have to make the hard decision and cut this one. Does it really matter if I cut it at this point or not? Gold is melting. What the hell is going on? Three-minute? Well, we can check the 3-minute chart, you know. This is the 3-minute chart. I don't see any fair value gaps so far. This is the 3-minute NQ. Well, I can see that this one is gonna dump like crazy. Oh my god, look at gold was so close to my TP. Shoulda, bada, woulda, bada, coulda, but I shouldn't, I wouldn't, I didn't, I wouldn't, I couldn't, I should, didn't, I didn't, I wouldn't, shoulda, coulda, woulda, done something differently. But it is what it is, boys and girls. It is what it is. It is what it is. Now, my brain tells me this should be the point to cut this one before it dumps. My other brain is telling me to accept the loss and go on with the trade. Who knows, you know. The hourly candle is closing in 5 minutes. So, let's wait for that. Because this is a 150k combine account. I have a rule to accept $1,000 loss on a session, which gives me another 1,000 loss, maximum loss on New York session. So right now we're very close to having the $1,000 loss on this combine for this session. The daily loss limit is 3,000, but I'm not going for 3,000. The overall loss I can have is 4,500. So that's how I trade these combines. So if I go down to $1,000 loss in this session, then no more trades. Then next opportunities, I'll be looking at the New York session. Otherwise, I'm not touching anything. This is it. So far, this strategy gave me a few funded accounts. And I've blown funded accounts, just saying. Yeah, I've blown. And if you think that some super huge influencer, YouTuber, traders haven't blown a few combine accounts, then you're mistaken. Because obviously, that's how they do it. I mean, many traders are having like 5 or 10 or whatever amount of combine accounts already being traded to profit. So if they just blow a funded account with maximum leverage, no problem. They just buy another one. And there you go. Then they can just blow another one for the next stream. And I say it's a technique. You can do that. Maybe I would do that. But for now, I have to stick by some rules. I was almost at break even. Again. Oh, damn it. Come on. And I'm not going to babysit these trades here. If nothing happens in the next 20-30 minutes, of course I'm gonna leave the trades, but I'm gonna cut the stream because I have other stuff to do. I used to do like I was sitting here for 7 hours and 6 hours. I'm not gonna do that. Not anymore. Personal life, health, and stuff like that. It's much more important than sitting 8 hours at the chart. Whatever happens, guys, even if it takes me out, watch out for the 349 level. I think it's gonna take it out. Maybe if not this London session, then until New York Open, this 349 level is gonna get at least tapped with a wick or something to be taken out, because I have a hunch that the 250 New Day opening gap is still in the crosshairs. So it just needs to grab some liquidity or sweep some liquidity from up there. Gold, come on, gold. So yeah. If we would trade above 36, 37, then I would be very, very confident that we should tap into the 49 level. I would be very confident. It's good that we have an up-close candle here. Let me zoom it out for you, because maybe it's better. I like this up-close candle. Actually, I'm gonna bring down this to 48.50 because of spread and everything. Not that I think it's gonna just spike up now, but you know. Oh, look at that. How is gold doing? Gold is still hovering. Okay. Small fair value gap repriced here as well. That's great. Now, I would love to see this one go up again, please. Not down, up. That's quite the opposite. Come on, man. With 2 contracts. It's killing me. Just looking at gold as well. Damn it. You know what? F it. I don't care. I'm not going to close it. I'm gonna let it slide to stop loss if it wants to go down. F it. Huge F it. If it wants to go down, be it. I don't care. I don't care. If it wants to go down, so be it. I don't care. There you go. It wants to tap into that 15-minute liquidity maybe down there. Who knows? Gold goes down. I don't care if it goes down. Let it go down. Just let it be. Maybe if I blow some air, it goes up. Come on. NQ, I like up. Yeah, I would like to go up. I would like it to go up as well. But you know what? F it. F it. Huge F. Fudge, which means fudge. Now, maybe the analyst would tap my shoulder. All right, man, maybe you should take off at least one contract now. And, you know, maybe you should just close the stream and, you know. I'm going to tell you something. I was talking about this. If we trade above this wick, 37, which we did, I would like to see, of course, an up-close candle. That would be better. Then I would be more confident that we can spike up 10, 11 points more to take out that 48 level. I don't know. What the hell is going on with gold, man? We reached 40. Did not do a new high. What's happening now is just terrible. I should just close it. Look at that, man. Oh my god, it's terrible. It's terrible, man. F it. F it. Oh my god. It's just so terrible. It's terrible. You're tearing me apart, Lisa. If someone knows which movie was that, I'm gonna give an applause. You're tearing me apart, Lisa. Which movie was that? You get an applause if you tell me. Actually, I'm gonna find it. There you go.
You are lying. I never hit you. You are tearing me apart, Lisa.
You're tearing me apart, Lisa. That's what I would say to NQ.
You are tearing me apart, Lisa.
Yeah. So if someone knows the answer to that question, then good for you. Look at that. You're tearing me apart, NQ. You know what? F it. I'm bringing it down to 48. I'm bringing it down to 48. No more modifications. That's it. It's still in gold, by the way. Just saying. At least the hourly candle has closed. Come on, man. Just... it was looking so good. Just struggling. It's just a struggle. Gold is effing me over. This is trading, guys. Watching paint dry. What can I say? Let's check gold. Look at gold. I hope you guys took partials. We were so close to TP2. I still think it's gonna go up. The question is how far is it gonna go down before that? That's the big question. Well, actually it can go way down. Don't like that. Oh no. Look at that. We were over $300 profit. Now we're down to 100. Should I take it or leave it? I'm gonna leave it since it's break even. And I'm all in, you know. Oh no. It was so nice, almost hit my TP. Still hoping for NQ. Gold. If you haven't already, can you please push the like button, please? And you can sub to the channel, you know. You can see me doing crazy stuff here on the stream, you know. You don't want to miss that. Or on the channel. Or join my Discord. Support me and the stream and the community by joining, and we're gonna trade together every day. How about that? That's also a good suggestion. We're a very small community, actually. Not gonna lie, very small. But you know, we start small, we're going to expand, and that's it. Leave a like and turn on a bell. That's it, guys. So Dave, I expect you to be in my private... I'm selling right now. I expect you and everyone else in my private Discord. Honestly, guys, you can tell whatever you want. This is my main income. At least I'm trying to do it for my as my main income, and I want to provide value to others, and I want to make money not just solely from trading, but from other sources as well. So it kind of, you know, sticks together. And I'm not gonna lie, I want to make some extra money on the sidelines too, because that's the only way I can focus here in the future. I would like to make more streams in the future as well, but it's gonna be hard. It's always hard if you solely rely on trading, because you have bad days, bad weeks, even bad months, but you still have to pay the bills. And so I'm working on providing value. I already finished with my my average income. That's a question which is hard to answer, especially here on YouTube, and I would like to answer it. Let's just say that I make an average living from trading, but I did not have any income. I did not have any income from trading in September, in last November. So I had my negative months. Good for, yeah, very good for you. It's good that you took TP there, Binha. So without any numbers, I would say that, you know, in my country, the average salary is around, I live in Hungary, the average salary is between $800 to $1,200. That's the average salary. It's very small. And all I can tell you, I could make a bare average living from cashing out some money from my funded accounts and my small private account. But I'm not a Lambo guru, and I decided not to work for anything or anyone else. I want to dedicate myself solely to this. And of course, as everyone else who tries and most likely succeeds, I try to do a membership as well, which is most likely for support and building community. So that's how I try to make a living from trading. And I should have taken profits from this effing NQ. It's tearing me apart. But that's how I do. So on average, I can pull out some money here and there from trading, but I'm not pulling out thousands and thousands of dollars on a weekly basis. No, I'm far from that. I'm not gonna lie. That's the fact. What is happening with NQ, by the way, and what is happening with gold? Should have taken profits, right? I was up there. No, I definitely don't want to be a Lambo guru. I am definitely trying to be there. I have been to Cochise for 2 months. Stayed in double. 3, 4. Yeah. You know. Whoa, very good. Giri, nice to have you here. Absolutely great. Yeah, it's a nice place. I don't live in Budapest, actually. I live 80 kilometers south from Budapest. Look at that. That freaking thing is going to take me out. I was almost at 400 profit. This is going to take me out. So I live from 80 kilometers from Budapest. Damn it. What is happening on NQ? Something has happened. Some news came out or somebody talking. That's the only reason this is happening. And that's how I do it. What's up with gold, by the way? Gold is melting. Everything is melting. At least that's on break even. Guys, I think that's it for NQ. We were in nice profit. Should have taken a partial, but I didn't. I was YOLOing it for this London session. And I think this is it. It's gonna go down to take some liquidity on the 15-minute chart. So I should just close it. Actually, it's gonna close out. 2 points. It's closing out. There you go. And as you can see, I reached my session limit for almost $1,000. And that's it. No more trades for London. And I'm gonna close down gold as well. And yeah, what can I say? It is what it is. At least check the 5-minute chart. What happened here? What happened on the 5-minute? Oh yeah, look at that. So I was talking about this. We have this new day opening gap at 250. I wouldn't be surprised if this would just reach for that. I wouldn't be surprised if this would just go down and reach for that 250.50 level, right? Yeah. Now the thing is that it didn't really took liquidity up there. So look at that. The 49 level is still there. The 5-minute candle is gonna close. It's gonna close in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And if this would close below this level, so below here, then, you know, we could consider a structure break. For now, I think what happened, it made a liquidity sweep here on the 5-minute. Look at the 15-minute. Yeah, you can see it as well. Liquidity sweep. The target still remains hourly order block. Yeah, we're gonna check that too. It swept liquidity down here. It might going to try a rerun. Let's check the small time frame. It might going to try again. This is the 30-second chart, not the 1 minute, but the 30-second. So if it makes a structure, that's when I would be looking for, like, does this structure shift, and boom, and then go down. Could be a scenario. Who knows? Who knows? You know. We definitely took liquidity from the 15 and the 5 minute. We can check the 30 minute. I'm not used to check the 30 minute chart, by the way. I'm not using the 30 minute chart. But as you can see, also took it on the 30 minute. And let's check the 1 hour chart as well. 1 hour chart. Went down, swept some. Consequent encroachment here. Nice liquidity up there. Look at that. 77 levels, 72, 77. It's a very nice target there. The thing is that we're back to midnight open range. It didn't manage to go through. Let's go back to the 15 minute. Actually to the 5 minute. It didn't manage to pull it out, pull it down to go through 49, but it looks like it wants to. Look at that. 30-second chart. For now, it looks like it wants to. But there's no structure here to break to the upside, so I would not go long, that's for sure. I would not go long here. I'm not saying I would not go long, but not in this structure, because there's nothing here that interests me. It could just take some liquidity here and then continue to the downside, continue to go below 300. I need to make sure, at least with a structure shift, a confirmation, if I can go again for 49. That would be interesting. You know, that would be interesting. Otherwise, nothing really. Nothing really interesting there. Nicely swept the long positions here. Stops have been taken out, so look at that. We're 20 points away from 49. This is gonna go for it, guys. This is gonna go for it. First, it swept, squeezed the longs, and then it's gonna bring them up there. Damn it. And sharply. Do feel a little bit of FOMO there. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. If this gets close to 49, I might enter with a limit order. I have a very small wiggle room here. There. If it taps us in. One contract has been tapped in. Two contracts there. Oh, two contracts, yeah. .75. Let's see. It's you can say that I'm married to the idea, I know, but that would be the most logical reason for it to go. Just gonna put a hard stop here. That would be one logical reason to go for it. Could be kind of a Judah swing, but it's not. How is gold doing? Just out of curiosity. It's fine. All right. Now it has to take it out. It just has to take it out. Because if not, then there's an error in the matrix. How much is that? 40, 49. Yeah, it's gonna go for it. Look at that. I'm not happy, by the way, even if it's reaching TP, because it was a dirty move. Dirty liquidity sweep, and then go for 49. I'm gonna add one more here. Actually, you know what? I might add one more here. If it wants to go down there. I'm trading it very, very aggressively. I told you guys in the beginning of the stream. Combine accounts, I'm trading super aggressively. I'm not taking it. I'm definitely going for the 49. I'm not taking it. I'm not taking it. Oh, maybe this should have been. No, that's too. It's not big of a range for me. It's gonna go for 49. I mean, if it's not, then I don't know. Limit order has not been triggered. Actually, close this. It's gonna go for 49. You know what? I'm gonna put this to 49, even round number 49. And if it goes here, I'm gonna add two more. I'm gonna put it back. You know, guys, I'm spicing up the whole thing just for you, just for the stream. I'm doing it because of you guys. That's why I'm doing it. But it's gonna go there. It's gonna take out 49. Look at that. It's gonna take it out. It's just 1000%. And there's no other way. It's gonna take out, like, boom. It's gonna take out 49. Come on. It's gonna take it out. It's not a question. It's the fact. It's a fact that it's gonna take it out. It's just... If it's not gonna take it out, then it's gonna be a nice YouTube video for later on. But it's gonna take it out. There you go. Nice. Now, if I would have left my gold trade, I mean, look at my gold trade. I'm not even saying anything, man. I'm not saying... Where was my entry? Look at that. Well, it would have taken me out break even, so anyway. But the gold is going... Look at that. Now it has reached liquidity, which is super awesome, but this was not the trade that I was looking for. I mean, if this would have happened before it took me out, then I would have been at break even. Now I'm over $300 in the minus. Don't worry, I don't care. Since this is a combine account. Okay, let's, just curiosity, let's look for other targets. All right, next target, guys. Next target is at 82. Oh my god, 82 is so close. Is it gonna take out 82? What do you guys think? High level is 81.75. 81.75, yes. 81.75. That's the main point right there. 81.75. Okay, I'm not taking more trades in this session. We'll see how it goes. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be streaming on the New York session. Maybe I'll try. If you don't want to miss it, subscribe to the channel. Drop a like, please. Check out my blog. You can join my private Discord. I'm gonna be streaming there. I know it's a paid membership, but you know, I tried to do this on a full-time basis, and I'll try to give every value there which I can, not just my live account trades, but my complete trade analysis for the day, for the week. I have a mini course for the 4-hour time frame. If someone doesn't really want to sit here at the computer, we are having great results on the 4-hour time frame trades, and that's it, and much more. So guys, thank you very much for being here. I appreciate it very much. This was my first live stream since a while, and I know we did not finish this session in a positive note, but at least we gathered some losses back. So guys, thank you so much. I'll try to be here at least 3 times, maybe 4 times a week. Okay, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, and here as well. And guys, have an awesome day. See you guys later. All right, thanks very much for being here. Bye bye.